May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and one central Indiana city is working to combat the stigma surrounding mental illness. Our Alyssa Donovan explains what the city of Fishers is doing differently and the impact that could have.
Fishers Fire Department has responded to 42 fires this year and 164 behavioral health calls. The numbers paint a picture of a need in the community, a need the city is working to meet.
I asked my police chief and fire chief what we were doing around the issues of mental health, and the resounding answer was nothing.
Since the mayor asked that question, the city has started a mental health initiative, an effort to destigmatize mental illness and provide more resources in the community. The initiative triggering positive change, like how first responders handle behavioral health calls.
What we're able to do now is de-escalate these situations, take these people directly to the services they need instead of going to the emergency room.
And following up with the patient 72 hours after the call.
Make sure that they have food, make sure that they have the medication that they need for whatever disease they have.
Changes have also been implemented into schools.
Anytime we have a student either that expresses suicidal ideation to a friend or a teacher or goes to their counselor and says that they're feeling like they want to hurt themselves, we have a specific procedure.
There's also been an increase in students advocating for each other, working to eliminate the stigma around mental health.
Because it's so prevalent and it's so widespread, I mean, it's foolish not to talk about it. Something that impacts so many people, ought to be discussed.
The success of Fishers' mental health initiative is something the city is sharing with other communities.
This is not a uniquely Fishers thing. It's a United States thing, but more succinctly, Indiana struggles with this fairly significantly.
I'm Alyssa Donovan, RTV6.
Thanks, Alyssa. And tomorrow, the Mental Health Task Force is updating the community on the outcomes and successes of the initiative over the past year. The meeting is open to the public and starts at 1:30 at Fishers City Hall.